Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my October 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium Box unboxing, which it turns out is BOXYCHARM X Tarte collab, like all Tarte products in here, I think. I was so excited to see this in the mail and a little confused because I guess I just never really know what's going on with BOXYCHARM. I didn't realize, or I forgot, that it was going to be a Tarte takeover, and I am so excited because Tarte is one of my favorite brands and I'm so excited to see what's in here. I love my BOXYCHARM Premium Box because you can get some really exciting brands and all full-size products, so I can't wait to see what's in here. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'll give some more background information, all that housekeeping stuff as I get into it, I'm sure. Yay! So my first glance at this, I have tried out some of these products before, and I will link my full dedicated review videos on these products in the description down below. So like this one here, the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara is an incredible mascara that I absolutely love. I have tried before and I haven't actually had one in a while, so I'm really excited to get this again and start using it again. But so the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara retails for $24. I think I am going to add up my total retail value of this box because I'm just so excited to see what it all adds up to. But okay, next I have here the Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener Micro Eyeliner. So this is an eyeliner that I have tried out in the both ends being black, so I'm glad that this has the brightener on it, so the Double Take Awake. It's definitely a clever concept and it retails for $25. Next, this is a product that I love. I've tried this out before, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. So I got this in the shade Orchid. Try and remember what shade I've tried before. I actually have already tried this out in the shade Orchid, so that will be another video that I will have linked down below. And the Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm retails for $21. Next, I've got the Tarte C Breezy Cream Blush in the shade Pink Sky. And this one I haven't tried, but I have heard good things and I'm so excited to give it a try. I think it's really pretty packaging, a huge pan size here, and this looks like the type of shade that I really like, so I'm excited to see how it's going to look on me. And so something that I did forget to mention is that I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's why I don't swatch and try out the products in these unboxing videos, because I will be doing full dedicated swatches, tutorials, all of that videos very soon. So this will be coming up on my channel soon. And I also unbox here on my channel all of the Ipsy Glam bags, all of the BOXYCHARM boxes. I also am trying to subscribe to even more beauty subscriptions. So I think I have Kinder Beauty coming soon and Chic Beauty Box coming soon. So if you like that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But okay, let's continue unboxing. I think I just have, wait, no, I should have 2 more products. You get 6 products in your BOXYCHARM Premium. Next, I have Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. So I definitely prefer to get makeup products, especially if it's Tarte. I want all makeup, but I haven't really tried out Tarte skincare much, and Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost sounds really great for my skin, which is definitely dry these days. So even though I wouldn't typically be excited to get a moisturizer, I actually am a little bit more excited to get it. And I'm curious the price point on Tarte skincare. Yeah, kind of high end. This retails for $39. Let's see what the packaging looks like. Okay, it's plastic packaging. I do really like that it's in a tub form. Oh, Oh, it smells really nice and it looks super jelly. Oh, I really like these types of moisturizers. So I actually am excited to try this out in my skincare routine eventually. Not quite yet. I'm still working through some other products, but I'll get to this eventually. Ooh, the product on the bottom here is exciting. It's an eyeshadow palette, the Sunrise Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette. So I have tried out Tarte eyeshadow palettes before, and I did not think that they were very good. I actually have a Tarte palette that I use when I review eyeshadow primers because the formula on those Tarte eyeshadows are actually so bad that they look completely different when I use an eyeshadow primer and when I don't. But it's been a while since I've tried out a new eyeshadow palette from Tarte, so I'm excited to see how this is going to be. And these are exactly the types of shades that I love. So the Sunrise Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette retails for $30. And wow, that's everything I got. So I'm going to add up my total retail value and I'll do a quick recap. So I got the Tarte C Cream Blush, the Hydrating Boost, the Maracuja Juicy Lip, the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, the Double Take Awake Liner, and the Sunrise Eyeshadow Palette. And all of that brings me to a total retail value of $163, which for BOXYCHARM Premium is not extremely high. That's actually probably on the very low end of the boxes that I've gotten, but this is a great box. Oh, I am so excited about these brand takeovers. I've really loved the brands that I've gotten before. I know they've done Anastasia Beverly Hills, Fenty Beauty, so I wonder what other brands they'll be doing. I would love to see more brand takeovers like this though. So let me know what you got in your BOXYCHARM Premium box for the month. And of course, let me know if you've tried any of these products and what you think of them. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.